We are in Yugashima, a small local area in Izu Peninsula in Shizuoka Prefecture of Japan. And this is Arcana Izu, a small establishment, Ryokan. But not really Ryokan style. For one, they serve European or French inspired cuisine with Japanese ingredients. And it's kind of a hotel in some ways, but then it also has a nice onsen. So this is the suite, the top room in this property. And so this is where the two ladies will stay. So, fireplace, sitting area, closet, and we'll swing around coming from here. This is the view from this vantage point. So it's a nice view of the valley across the way with the river down below. So we're going to take a look. The second room that we have is the river view suite. But let's finish the exploration of the suite. We did stay here last time. Very nice. And you can see there's a nice onsen bath out here. Surrounded by nature. It's a free-flowing natural onsen hot springs bath. And chill out. That's where you have the beds. So this is the way out, and this is where the bathroom. Actually, the vanity. I think the bathroom is on the other side. If I recall. And then this is the shower. Indoor tub, which is not an onsen, but just to warm up before you go out if it is cold outside. It's a short walk away, but the open air bath is the calling card here. So complete immersion with nature, complete privacy while soaking in the tub. This is what it's all about, as well as the great, wonderful food using Japanese, especially the ingredients from Izu and the local area. This is Arcana Izu, the suite.